Hi everyone, Maci here. In today's video, I am very excited because we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Summer Editors Box. As noted, I'm very excited because I've always been curious about FabFitFun ever since I've been seeing their ads or on Pinterest, and when they reached out to me for a partnership, I knew I had to try it out for myself. If you aren't familiar with this brand, FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle subscription service where for $4.99 each season, you'll get a box filled with about 8 to 10 full-sized premium products valued at over $200. If you have the annual membership, you could receive items 4 times a year, so basically every season. And each box is curated with items that could be categorized under fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness. This service is available in the US, UK, and Canada. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, you can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box by using code MACI10 at checkout. So with that being said, let's get into the goodies. So first thing in the box is this original pink makeup eraser, and I'm really excited to try this out. I've seen this on Instagram multiple times. Essentially what it is that it's a sort of magical cloth that when wet, it acts as a sort of makeup wipe, but like it easily takes off all of your makeup. So if you have a full face of makeup, at least from what I've seen in the videos, it will just wipe it all off, like sort of Mulan style. Apparently it lasts 3 to 5 years, which is actually crazy, and it's also really good because since it is reusable, it's pretty sustainable, so you're not going through a lot of makeup wipes. This is valued at $31. Next up is the Vera Mona Color Switch Solo. I've never actually seen this before, but what it says it does is that it's an instant brush cleaner. Oh, okay. So it says to glide your makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove the color. From my understanding is that if you want to use the same makeup brush but you're going to use it on a different color, this allows you to use that brush over again. This is valued at $16.99. So next up we have the Seluna by Kimberly Snyder Vibrating Facial Wand. And it says that this beauty tool helps your skincare products absorb into the skin through massaging movements. It is valued at $40, and I've seen similar things like this before, but I do like the idea of it. I think also it would also feel nice, sort of self-care, if you will. Looks very fancy. Here we have the Fungel Body Wash Infused Buffer in Black Orchid. It says that the Body Wash Infused Buffer exfoliates the skin and offers up to 15 plus uses. This is valued at $16, and I suppose that this is sort of a substitute for using a loofah, but rather than having to put soap in the exfoliating product, you just need to add water and then it will have that product in it and it will infuse into your skin a little bit better. I'm really excited to try this out. I mean, honestly, like, I'm excited to try out all of these products, but gotta drive that point home. Next, we have this gravity weighted sleep mask, which I am a fan for because I love weighted blankets, and I'm curious to see how that would apply in eye form. And it says that the weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. I am very excited to use this because, like, all of my eye masks, I don't know where they went. And this is valued at $39.99. Next in the box, which is pretty cool, though it will not help with decreasing my dairy consumption, we have this Twine cheese board with plate, and it's like a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. It includes a wood cheese board, a ceramic plate, and 2 stainless steel cheese knives. Can't microwave this. Who would microwave this? Its purpose is to serve meats and cheeses on this acacia wood platter and is valued at $30. This is a very adult thing to own. That's good. It's like a really nice graduation present. Here we have this really fancy looking understated leather embellished wooden brush with velvet pouch and blush. Very, very wordy. This gives me like 90s vibes because like this pink is very velvet. It's not velvet, but this is, I don't know why, but like this brings me back to like when I was really young, and you know those those like hardcover books that you give to like babies, and there's like textures all over them, and like this is like one of the textures. I don't like, it's not velvet. I know it's not velvet, but it gives me velvet vibes. And it is a bamboo brush. I personally don't see myself using it because I have curly hair. Like, you can kind of see the frizz. But I do have curly hair, and I don't think I can brush my hair with this without it frizzing a lot. This is valued at $30, which is like, I don't know. And finally, we have this XO Sienna felt message board. And it says that this felt letterboard comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols for you to spell out whatever you want. And it is valued at $35. Ooh, it has all of these. I'm actually glad that I got one of these because I was thinking about getting one. I just never got the chance to get one, and now it's like a good decor. Oh, it really does have emojis. It has like all of these symbols. This was a good pick. These were good. Thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, if you want your own curated package, use coupon code MACI10 to get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. I will have the link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on my notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. See y'all next time.